there goes Jason. He's off to the Fox Bay building. And we are in Whitefish Bay, Wisconsin, at the Berkeley building. Look at this. Look at such an awesome little vintage office building here. Very 50s. And look, I love this. This definitely got repainted at some point, but still is super cool. And of course, the elevator is right here. What's this say? Oh, wow. Oh, there's a bumper. Oh, wait. Look. It's a rod, just a metal rod in there. All right, here we go. This thing closes really fast. There's the hat. At the first floor. See out these little vents? Too dark.